Welcome back to the channel, guys. For those of you who are new, my name's Sam Clark and you're watching One Life Cars, the channel where you can request your own video on your own car and get a job done yourself at home rather than taking it to a garage. So in today's video, which you can see behind me, we have something a bit different. It's a Volkswagen Caddy van, and today I'm going to show you guys how to locate the fuse boxes. So this is a 2012 model van, as you can see. It's a 2-litre turbo diesel, but the fuse box location should be the same for all variants of the Volkswagen Caddy van of this sort of year. The first thing we're going to do is have a look in the cab. I'll show you the interior fuse box, show you how to open the bonnet, and show you where the exterior fuse box is located under the bonnet. On the back of this video, if you want to know what a particular fuse does or where it's located, or if you have a problem and you think it might be the fuse, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Again, for requests on this van, if you'd like to see another tutorial on the Volkswagen Caddy, let me know in the comments. That's what this channel's about, and I'll do my best to make it happen for you as quickly as possible. So guys, without further ado, let's crack on and show you guys how. So for the first fuse box, the interior, I want you to open the driver's door first, and if you look sort of straight underneath the steering wheel on the driver's side of the car, you will see a little flap here. Pull it down just like so, and then if we look a bit down, we've got your OCB port, I think they're called that, to connect a code reader into if you need to check for a code. And this here is the interior fuse box. This will be mostly things on the dashboard, your radio, things like that. Mostly interior electricals. So if you have any problems with somewhere inside the van, or anything really on the van electrical that you need to know a fuse for, let me know in the comments below and I can tell you what fuse does what. So that's the interior fuse board, and once you replace it, sometimes this flap does come off these hinges here, but you just pop him back in, and then you simply line up the little grooves with the bit here, pop it back in, and that is how to find the interior fuse box. Now, there is an exterior fuse box for all your engine-y bits under the bonnet. So the first thing we've got to do is open the bonnet. For those of you who don't know, it's on the driver's side for the Volkswagen Caddy, just near the throttle pedal, this little lever here. I'm going to pop that and we'll have a look under the bonnet. Right, so underneath here we have lots of black plastic. There might be a black plastic cover on this bit, that's for some of you. But we're going to look over to the right hand side, and we have your battery here. So just to the right of your battery there's a box here with two locking levers on it. These literally just slide down like so to unlock the cover. Pull the cover off, that will expose your exterior fuse box. This will cover most engine bits, maybe some lights, indicators, things like that. You've got a couple of one relay. There might be another relay box, but if you have any problems with relays, let me know in the comments. That might just be the only one. They're quite simple vans. But that is the exterior fuse box. To replace the cover, you're just going to pop it back into position, slide one up, and then when you feel it clipping, you can slide your lock back in like that. And there we go, lock back into place. And that, guys, is how to find the interior and the exterior fuse box on the Volkswagen Caddy. So this is a 2012 model, 62 plate. I think it covers all of the Caddies of this era. I'm not sure the years exactly, I'll put it in the description. Right guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see or you found it useful, hit that like button for us. And if you're new to the channel, like I said before, show some support, hit that subscribe button, and you can request your own videos on your car or any vehicle you'd like to. Until next time guys, that's it from One Life. My name's Sam Clark.